PPHM Archeology staff regularly assesses and identifies objects from the permanent collections that are in need of professional conservation. This duty is in keeping with the Preserve and Conserve directive outlined in its mission statement. As priorities and funding have allowed, the following items from the museum's ethnology collection have received conservation over the past decade: 3 indigenous headdresses, a lance, a breastplate, a saddle, a historic pot, and 2 Navajo blankets. In November, a professional team from Dallas came to PPHM to work on Quanah Parker's headdress. While it is in fair condition, given that it's over 150 years old, it needed professional cleaning to remove surface dust and minor stabilization work to secure stitching and feather tassel tips. Museum staff wishes to acknowledge and thank donors, including Dr. Charles K. and Phyllis P. Hendrick Ethnology Fund, which helped to fund these efforts to preserve these objects for the long term.